How to transfer money from Cash App to bank. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer money from your Cash App to your bank. So without any further ado, let's begin. First thing you'll want to do is open up your Cash App. After you do so, make sure that you're linked to your bank account. If you're not, tap on your profile icon on the top right. And after you're there, you will see the linked bank account section. Tap on it and tap on link bank. Now go through the bank linking process, and after you link your bank, you're basically almost done. Then what you'll need to do is go back here on the home page of your Cash App, tap on cash out right here and select the amount that you want to cash out. After you do so, just hit on cash out and then you will see your withdrawal speed. Now this depends on your urgency. If you tap on priority, it will take a certain amount of fees. Now it will take certain amount of fees, as I said. If you select rush, it will take a bit less money, but it will still charge you. Now if you take the standard, that is, it will arrive in 24 hours, you can save a lot of money. After you select one, you will simply have added your money to your bank from your Cash App. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you cash out or transfer your money from your Cash App to bank. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for